a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm...
Yeah, I think it's hailing right now.
Moving east at 30 miles per hour. A second severe thunderstorm was located near Vermilion, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Yep, that was it right there.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seneca, Blaine, Frankfort, Onega, Centralia, Corning, Soldier, Maybethville, Vermilion, Wheaton, and Lillis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Kansas.
Oh yeah, it's going boom out there. Dang.